Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 9, algebraic expression and identities. In algebra, generally we use two symbols, constant and variable. So in your mind, one question arises here: what is constant and what is variable? So here we are going to define constant. What is constant? Okay, what is constant? Also you can say today we discuss the fundamental concept of the algebraic expression and its identities. Okay, so what is constant? A symbol which has a fixed value is called constant. A symbol which has a fixed value. You write here a symbol which has a fixed value is called constant. It's called constant. Okay. For example, 0, 1, 2, 20, 100, and so on are the constant. The value of 1 is same at every place, everywhere, every time. Okay. So symbol, what is constant? A symbol which has a fixed value is called constant. So next term is variable. What is variable? Variable, a symbol which have not a fixed value is called variables. Or you can say a symbol which has various numerical value is called variables. Or also you can say a symbol whose value is vary person to person, time to time, place to place is called variables. So let's talk the definition of variables. So here you can say a symbol which value is not fixed is called variables. Okay. Or you can say a symbol which can be given various numerical value is called variable. Okay. So you can write a symbol which can given a symbol which has various a symbol which have various numerical value. Various numerical value is called variable. Okay. A symbol which have various numerical value is called variable. For example, x, y, z, a, b, c, and so on. A symbol which value is not fixed is called variables. And symbols which have which can give the various types, various numerical value is called variables. A symbol which value is vary time to time, person to person, place to place is called a variable. So student, I hope all of you understood what is constant and what is variables. In simple way, you can say that a symbol whose value is fixed is called constant, a symbol which value is not fixed is called variables. Okay, so I hope all of you understood and you are able to recognize what is which symbol is variable and which is constant. This is clear. Now we are going to discuss algebraic expression. What is the algebraic expression? A collection of constant and variables connected by subtraction or addition, or you can say connected by one or more arithmetic operation is called algebraic expressions. I revise it again. Algebraic expression, a collection of constant and variables. Collection of constant and variables connected by one or more arithmetic operation is called algebraic expression. For example, you can write here 2x plus y. You can see here both terms, both variables are connected by addition. Okay, so you can say this is the algebraic expression. So let's see how we find algebraic expressions. What is algebraic expression? A collection of constant variables connected by one or more arithmetic operations. Student, I hope all of you know what is the arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operation means according to syllabus addition, arithmetic operation, is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. They are arithmetic operations. So here we are going to define algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression. Okay. And here you can see what is the constant, what is variable, and what is arithmetic operation. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division is the arithmetic operation. Now we are going to define algebraic expressions. So collection of constant and variables connected by one or more arithmetic operation is called, you can say, arithmetic operation of addition and subtractions. So you can write here what is algebraic expression? A collection of constant and variable connected by one or more arithmetic operation is called algebraic expressions, or you can say a collection of constant and variables connected by one or more operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is called algebraic expression. You can write both definitions are correct. Okay, so here you can write a collection of constant and variable, connected by one or more operation. One or more operations. What do you mean by operation? You can say operation is arithmetic operation. In arithmetic operations, we know very well addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division is called algebraic expression. Is called algebraic expression. This is clear? Okay. So then you can see what is the algebraic expression. In the algebraic expression, you can define it: a collection of constant and variable connected by one or more operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is called algebraic expressions. Okay. Also you can say a collection of constant and variable connected by one or more arithmetic operation. In arithmetic operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is called an algebraic expression. Both are right. Okay. So what is the example? For example of algebraic expression. Okay. So we can write here a next algebraic expression which is a collection of constant variables. You can write as 3, 2x. 2x is algebraic expression. 5x plus 3, or you can write x is also algebraic expression. X plus y is also algebraic expressions. Okay. So here also we types. How can we know this is term? This is single term, one term. Here two terms, 5x and 3. Okay. The algebraic expression separated by plus or minus, addition or subtractions is called terms. Okay. Here this is two terms, x and y. Here is two terms. Here is only one term, single terms, and this is a two terms. This is a single terms. Okay, this is clear. So here you can see this is the examples of algebraic expression. The various part of algebraic expression separated by plus or minus symbol. Plus or minus symbol. The various part of algebraic expression separated by plus or minus, this is called terms. Here you can see 5x. This is first term, 3 second term. Here x plus a, x minus a. Here two terms. X is terms and y a is also terms. Okay. So this is single term. This is dual, two terms, single term, two terms. Okay. So in this way you can see here the example of algebraic expression, and the various expression is separated by plus or minus. This is called terms. Okay. Now, so types of algebraic expression according to terms. Okay. In first terms, single terms you can say monomial. Two terms you can say it binomial. Three terms we can say trinomials. Four terms you can say multinomials. Okay, or also it is polynomials. Okay. So let's see. We are going to define the various types of algebraic expressions are. Okay. Various types of algebraic. The types of algebraic expression. It depends on its terms. How can we recognize terms? The algebraic expression separated by plus or minus. This is called terms. Okay. So types of algebraic expression. Types of algebraic expression. Okay. So first type is monomial. Monomial. Okay. How you recognize this is monomials? Monomials are algebraic expressions having only one terms. An algebraic expression having only one. And algebraic expression. An algebraic expression having only one terms. Only one term. Okay. Is called monomial. Okay. An algebraic expression which have only one term is called monomial. For example, x, y, 2z, 5a, 9 by 10x, etc. They are monomials. It have only one terms. This is clear. So monomial. What is monomial? An algebraic expression which have only one terms is called monomials. Next is binomial. Next type is binomial. Okay. So in binomials, how can we recognize binomial? Binomial. Okay. An algebraic expressions which have only two terms. Right here, an algebraic expression and algebraic expression which have only two terms. Only two terms. Two terms is called binomial. Which called binomials. Algebraic expression which have only two terms is called binomial. Is called binomial. Okay. An algebraic expression which have only two terms is called binomial. For example of binomial. For example, what is the example of binomials? We take two terms, 2x plus 3. This is binomial. 5y plus z. This is also binomial. So you can see a lot of x plus 10 by 31z. etc. Lot of examples of binomials. Simply you can say an algebraic expression which have only two terms is called binomials, and algebraic expressions which have one term is called monomials. Okay. Now next is trinomials. What is trinomials? Okay. So I hope all of you understood binomials. Next types of the algebraic expression is trinomials. Third type. what is trinomials? Okay, so you can say an algebraic expression which have only three terms. You write here an algebraic expression which has only three terms is called trinomial. Okay. For example, so here you can see the definition of trinomials and algebraic expressions which have only three terms is called trinomials. For example, you can write here x plus y plus z. This is trinomials. Also you can write here x plus y plus 5. Okay. A plus b plus c and so on. That are examples of an algebraic expressions. Okay. Next, so this is trinomial. For one terms you can say monomials. For two terms you can say binomials. For three terms you can say trinomials. Now this is a next terms is multinomials. What is multinomials? An algebraic expressions having two or more than two or more terms is called multinomials. Okay. An algebraic expressions having two or more terms is called multinomials. Okay. Now, so next types of algebraic expression is multinomials. Here you see the types of algebraic expression: monomials, binomial, trinomials. Next type is multinomial. Next type is multinomials. What is multinomials? An algebraic expression having two or more terms is called multinomials. And algebraic expression having two or more terms is called a multinomial. Is called a multinomial. Okay. So a lot of examples is also multinomials according to its definition. Algebraic expressions having two or more terms is called multinomials. Okay. Now, so in this way you can see the types of algebraic expression is a monomial, binomial, trinomial, and multinomials. So I write it together all various types of algebraic expression. First type is monomial. Second type is binomial. Third type is trinomial. Third type is trinomial. And fourth type is multinomial. which have only one term is called monomials or algebraic expressions. This is monomials. Okay, one single term monomial, binomials, an algebraic expression which have only two terms is called binomials, and the next trinomials, and algebraic expression which have only three terms is called trinomials, and next is multinomials, and algebraic expressions having two or more terms, and algebraic expressions having two or more terms is called trinomials, multinomials. Clear? In trinomials, three terms. Multinomials have how many terms? Two or more terms. It's called multinomials. So student, I hope all of you understood these types of algebraic expressions. Now we are going to discuss next factors. What is a factor? Now the factors. What is factors? Each a quantity multiplied together or form a product is called factor of the product. Okay. What is factors? Each of quantity multiplied together to form a product is called the factors of the product. This is clear? If two quantity multiplied and they form a product, each quantity is called the factor of the product. For example, 2 into 3, this is 6. So 2 and 3 are multiplied together, they form a product. Is called 2 and 3 is called the factor of 6. This is clear? Now a constant factor is called numerical factors. This is constant. Constant factor is called numerical factor. Numerical factors. Okay. If product is variables, or you can say literals. Product is literals or variables. X into y. You can see x y. These factors is called literal factors or variable factors. Literal factors. This is clear? Again, a constant factor is called numerical factors, and factor containing only literals, or you can say factor containing only variables is called literal factors or variable factors. Okay, so here you can see this is the numerical factors, this is the literal factors or variable factors, because here you can see the product is only literals. So you can see this is the literal factors, and this type is called constant numerical factor 5x. Okay, so here you can write it 5 into x. This is a multiplied together, 5 and x multiplied together. So 5 and x is the factors of 5x, and this is called numerical factors. Constant factor is called numerical factors. Okay. So I hope all of you understood the factors. What is factors? Each are quantity multiplied together to form a product is called factor of the product. For example, you can see here 2 and 3 multiplied together, and 2 and 3 is the factor of the product. Product is 6. X and y multiplied together form x, y, and both are variables, so their factors is literal factors. X and y is the literal factors of x and y. This is clear? So student, I hope all of you understood this fundamental concept of algebraic expression and identities. So thanks for watching. Jai Hind.